If you're a Jeep owner or a Jeep enthusiast, there are a couple events every year that you don't want to miss. There's a couple beach events, there's the Rubicon Trail, and then there's this, which is kind of the pinnacle and the start of the season, Easter Jeep Safari in Moab. It's still early in the spring, so it's still a little chilly. That doesn't stop people from coming literally from other continents. We met some people from Chile and Norway this week. You know, there's nothing stopping them from coming to Moab.
Always a good day to be on Kane Creek. Always.
Well, it's 52 years of Easter Jeep Safari, and they say it's the largest gathering of Jeeps in North America, and I wouldn't doubt that. It's a lot of fun because you get to see all the new product, you get to see a lot of classic stuff. And here we are in the heart of, especially for Crawl Magazine, more of our readers drive Jeeps than any other brand. And so consequently, we're right in the heart of it. I mean, this is Mecca for the rigs from Toledo. I mean, it's just the best place to find the best Jeeps.
Flat fender in today on Kane Creek. We're trying to catch up with, I believe, the JK Forum run. Trying to get back with my group, a man amongst men, I always say.
This is a pretty exciting program for us. We've never been out here on the trails. We always come in to Jeep Safari to do the 2 days at the event at the arena. We haven't been able to get out here, and now all of a sudden we're with some of the best wheeling in the world. So it's pretty exciting.
So we're out here at Easter Jeep Safari testing a new product for the JK that's coming out later this year. Product testing is really important to us at PowerStop, and when we come out with a new product like the new product we have coming for the JK later this year, testing it is the highest priority. There's no better place to test a new product for a Jeep than here in Moab on some of the crazy descents that we've got out here on the trails, and we've definitely hit them all.
Now that we've got the PowerStop brakes, we travel extensively. No problems with brakes. we come out west, we get into Colorado, Utah, there's no concern about stopping the trailer. It's going to perform the way you expect it to. You don't see any brake dust. You know, the only thing that we've got out here in Moab is red dust. You don't see any brake dust.